Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to build a facial attendance system inside Python using OpenCV library and face recognition library. So you can see in the root directory we have stored the images folder. So here we will be one by one showing the images in real time using the web camera, and basically the machine will detect it and basically it will insert this information inside a CSV file where it will store all the attendance of all the students. So in this case you will store all the images of the student if you are building it for the university or college. So now if I now run this Python script and show to you python app.py, so basically it will run this Python script and it will access to my web camera, and one by one I will show the images. Because I am recording the video guys, so it is taking a lot of memory, so you will just see a slight delay because of the web camera, and also the information sometimes it cannot detect whenever you are recording the video at the same time. So the script is correct. So now if you show the image here, you will see it will detect it and basically it will remove one name from the array here. And as I show the second image, you will see that one more name is removed here. You can see that one more name is removed. You can see that in this case. And if I show you the third image here, so basically it will detect the faces here. Because I'm recording the video at the same time guys, that's why it is taking a lot of time. But if you are doing it offline, this Python script will work definitely. You will see that. Sometimes you need to zoom in to the face here for the detection process to be easy. You will see that now it has removed that also. So now only the last image is remaining here. You can see that now all the 4 persons have been taking the attendance. You will see that by detection of the faces. Now we just need to stop the application and you will see a CSV file will be created in the root directory, which will contain all these names as well as their times as well. You can see this is a name. So it has automatically detected and inserted this information inside a CSV file. So this is a Python script guys. You can replace all the images of all the students. It can take unlimited images in real time. You just need to store it. So this is the script guys. You are using this face recognition library at the very top. We are also using the OpenCV. So basically you need to go to command line before executing the script. I have given the script in the description of this video guys, so just go to it and pip install face underscore recognition. So this is a library you need to install. This is a third-party library. I have already installed it. So then we need to install the OpenCV Python. This is the second library you need to install before you execute this. That's all, and these 2 dependencies are more than enough. And also you need to install Numpy, pip install Numpy. So this is a third dependency, and after you install all these dependencies, this is the Python script. So basically we are loading all 4 images here. You will see that in the script here. This is the one. We are encoding it by using the face encoding method here. First of all, we are loading the image file using the load image file method of face recognition. First of all, we are also getting the web camera of the user by OpenCV.video capture, and basically we are providing the 0th. We are converting all the 4 images into their respective encodings. Then basically we are storing these encodings like this and storing the faces, and basically we are copying it to the students. So these locations encodings we are declaring in empty variable. And we are taking the current time, after that we are putting a for loop here. Inside this we are capturing the frame one by one, and after that we are putting the names and locations. And this is basically the loop which is running here. You don't need to understand this code guys, just the application is very good. It is just doing this artificial intelligence. It is comparing the faces in real time. You will see this is the compare face method. And then it is using the Numpy argument minimum, and basically it is detecting the best case scenario and storing it inside this best match index. And when the face is detected, we are removing it from the student's array here with the remove method here. And lastly, we are writing it as a CSV file. Just showing it this attendance system. You will see that this is the title of the window. So in this way, guys, you can do it. It's really good Python script. The link is given in the description of this video. Definitely try out this application. So I will be seeing you in the next video.